everybody, this is Caroline Alizan, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Thursday, the last day of March of 2011, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. And very nice here. Look what we see here on our chart today. We are holding the high, which we talked about here yesterday, and we are still sitting above all major areas of resistance. So right here, we're still above the 8 moving average, we're still above the red moving average here, and above that pink trend line, which is acting as a significant area of resistance down below, and now it's acting as a significant area of support. And also, we're sitting at this 5730 mark. So we are beginning to form another high base. So if we get another candlestick here tomorrow in this tight trading range at the top of the rally, we would be forming a high base, and we would need to wait for a breakout one way or the other. But if we do not get that candlestick right here in that range, we could head higher. And we can point all the way up to that next area of resistance, which is right here at the 5830 mark. But what needs to happen first? We first need to break through the high of today, which is at the 5748 mark, and then we need to close above it. And from then on, we could have some more potential to that next area of resistance, which is at the 5830. And then if we ever break through that one and then close above it, we could head all the way back up to the high of February 16th, which was at the 5904 mark. So put these areas of resistance on your chart so you can easily see them when you need them. But if we do not get a pop, and if we do get a little bit of a pullback, pay close attention to all major areas of support on the way down. First of all, pay close attention to the one that we're sitting on right now, which is at the 5730 mark, as well as that pink trend line right here. And the next one would be at this red moving average right here, which is at the 5693 mark, as well as that next major one on our way down would be at the 5665 mark, which is a cross point of two major areas of support, the 5665 mark as well as the 8 moving average. So pay close attention to them, because if we broke through the 5665 mark and then closed below it, we could head all the way back down to that next major area of resistance. Next major area of support on the way down here, the 5584 mark. And then if we ever broke through that one and closed below it, we could head even lower to that next area of support, which you see here in black, and it's at the 5454 mark. So put all of them here on our chart, on your chart, so you can better see where we're at according to that. And look at the MACD. What is happening with the MACD? We're starting to cross over the zero line. We are starting to do that. We are starting to go back to the other side. So we are starting to go positive again here according to the MACD. So pay close attention to that, because as you can see, we're getting bigger and bigger positive tags with the MACD crossing over the zero line and getting into a positive territory. And look at this. Look at the volume. It's not really impressive. It's still below the average, as we talked about here yesterday. So it's not really strong at this point in time. So watch it really carefully together with the MACD and with our pretty chart with our candlestick patterns. Alright, so have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.